The Supreme Court ruled on the 31st of March that the interim candidate, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, had been validly elected in the February polls. But the dust from the 2016 general election is yet to settle.
We have called the 2016 presidential election and its aftermath a creeping military coup d'etat.
The opposition party, Forum for Democratic Change, which insists the election was a sham, say the judiciary failed in its mandate to conduct the requisite audit of the elections as it concluded hearing the petition challenging the presidential results.
It failed to verify the accuracy of the tariff forms. It also failed to audit the data from biometric verification machines. Throughout the proceedings of the petition, the court never took the initiative to independently inquire into the issues raised in the petition and to verify the accuracy of the election results.
The role of the courts now is to deliver its reasoned judgment, and that's so. The rest may be politics, which the judiciary has no mandate of.
The Forum for Democratic Change did not go to court to challenge the petition following the House arrest of former presidential candidate Dr. Kizza Besigye. Besigye, a four-time contender against the incumbent, previously challenged the election results in 2001 and 2006 in the Supreme Court, which he lost.
An independent electoral audit is needed in order to objectively assess the credibility of the outcome of the 2016 presidential election, as well as to ensure we can have free and fair elections in the future.
Whereas the Ugandan constitution does not overtly provide for an independent audit in the event that parties are aggrieved, the FDC cites Article 1 and 3 of the Ugandan constitution, which gives power to the people to call for this. It is on this power that the FDC intends to rally Ugandans to demand for an audit.
We have established a civic action committee to coordinate the campaign of non-violent actions across the country. This committee shall be communicating the actions being taken from time to time.
The identities of those who constitute the committee is not clear. NTV has, however, learned that the five-member team is chaired by FDC spokesperson Ibrahim Semujunganda and will be tasked with coordinating different activities across the country to call for an independent audit. Former presidential candidate Dr. Kizza Besigye was the first to call for an audit following the announcement of the presidential election results on 20th February.
First, there has to be a realization that this is what is needed for us to get the bottom of the problem. And in relation to that, that's why we are not going to cease engaging in activities of raising the consciousness of the population.
For them to just wake up and get onto the streets and rally their supporters and hold processions that are unlawful and demonstrations that are unlawful, then of course the police will get to counter, will have to engage them within the provisions, the powers given to us.
Last month, the party rolled out a series of non-violent campaigns dubbed Free My Vote, including weekly prayers.
The people of Uganda must remain vigilant and prepare for a sustained non-violent effort to reclaim our victory.
Only a few countries have succeeded in conducting election audits. In 2014, Afghanistan conducted a United Nations supervised audit into the election. Nduhukire, NTV.